Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you have shower doors that are made of glass, you know how hard it is to keep them clean. I've discovered by using this product from Rain-X, it's been super effective so that I can really enjoy and appreciate our nice, beautiful glass shower doors. The product is a cream-based cleanser, and what you do is you add it directly to a cloth or directly onto the glass. I use a brush that has really soft bristles, so I put the product right onto the brush and then a little bit of water mixed in and clean it from top to bottom. I'm really amazed at how well that the product removes soap scum and dirt and hard water buildup. It also will remove lime and rust if you have a problem with that, and you'll find that it's just super effective in cleaning your glass shower doors. The product is great. Using it once a week, I find that it really removes the buildup, and I'm so happy because, let's face it, glass shower doors are not cheap, so you really want to keep them looking shiny and clear, and this product has been super effective, and that's my point of view.